the really big one over here.
Okay, but I like this one.
You like that one?
So like he said, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Daddy's got it.
He's coming after me again.
And wrapping paper.
Ooh.
No.
Ooh, shiny.
Mommy's wrapping paper. Mommy's wrapping paper.
Oh, Eli, you're quick.
I know.
Which one of these things begins with the letter C?
Might have to hitch my trailer on you.
Eli.
Hmm? Let me see that wrapping paper again.
Alright. Eli, no.
You want to let him open up a present?
Yeah, Daddy, grab Eli.
What do you want him to open up? The big one or my computer?
It doesn't matter.
What? You got to play with something that's already been used now.
Okay, here, Eli. This is from your great aunt Marina.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Got a present from Marina's. Better not get chicky pox.
Look.
Uh-oh. No, you can't eat it. No eating.
Oh, Lord.
Eli.
See, well, you were laughing at me, Uncle Landry.
Eli.
Come here, Eli, baby boy.
Let me see your camera.
There you go. Look what you got.
Eli, what you get?
Hey, Granny already read those to me. Those aren't new.
Yes, they are.
They just wrapped up, re-gifted.
You want to give your mom hers?
Aw.
It's that big shiny one.
Oh, yeah.
Eli. Eli.
You want to help Granny open it up? Huh?
Ooh.
Oh, I got the bow up, Granny.
Stick this on your
Say Merry Christmas.
Are you my gift? Come on. This is it. Here, help me. Help me. What is it?
Ooh, you must be excited.
Hurry up, Granny.
Oh,
It's some diapers.
Actually, that's baby wipes.
I need
It's baby wipes to keep at your house.
Now I know who can wrap all the rest of the presents from now on. Charlie's good wrap.
She takes forever, though, Mama. It took her 2.5 hours to wrap 6 presents in.
That's how your father used to be.
That's probably a lot better than I could do.
Size and the way I want them.
What is it?
Oh,
looky, looky. Oh, where did you find these? It's a moose.
Walmart.
Now Granny don't have to buy no more dishes.
we got you 2 plates, 2 bowls, and 2 coffee cups.
Oh.
If you want 2 more plates, we can get you 2 more plates.
Oh, thank you guys.
Uh-huh. Yeah,
Oh,
some. I said, that's what we're going to get.
Oh my God. I have never seen them in Walmart before. Yeah, I got you. Oh, those are beautiful.